Hello friends, myself Ashok Bagda from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus, and today we are going to discuss about introduction about vibration from the subject dynamics of machinery. So let us understand, let us discuss about the vibration. So when any elastic body such as spring, shaft or beam is displaced from equilibrium position by an application of external force and then released, it commences cyclic motion. Such a cyclic motion of body or system is due to the elastic deformation under the action of external force, is known as a vibration. My dear friends, if any elastic body, if we displace any elastic body by giving some external force, then this body will oscillate, having some cyclic motion because of its elastic properties, material elastic properties. And when this body is oscillate about its mean position, then we can say that this body is under the vibration. All the bodies possessing mass and elasticity are capable of vibration. My dear friends, our heartbeat, it is also an example of vibration. We are walking on the earth because of vibration. It is also an example of vibration. When any body having to and fro motion from its equilibrium position, then we can say that this body is under the vibration. When elastic body is displaced from its equilibrium position, the work is done by external force in producing displacement or a deformation against the internal elastic force, which is resist deformation. This work done is stored in body as elastic strain energy, also called internal potential energy. When external force is removed, the internal elastic force causes the body to restore its equilibrium position. At the instant body reaches its equilibrium position, the complete elastic strain energy is converted into kinetic energy. My dear friends, if we take an example of spring, so if we consider a spring, we compress the spring by applying some force, and when we remove the force, then what happens? Then spring will come in its equilibrium position. Then our spring having some cyclic motion, and such a cyclic motion is known as a vibration. So in case of spring, what happens? So when we apply a force on a spring, when we compress the spring, then what happens? A spring stores some strain energy, or we can say that potential energy. And when we remove the force, when we remove the load applied on the spring, then what happens? This elastic strain energy is converted into kinetic energy. So energy is converted into strain energy to the kinetic energy, and this because of the elastic strain energy, vibration happens. So if we consider this is a simple spring having stiffness k and mass is there. So by applying external force, we pull in. If we pull the spring, then what happens? The spring, the mass m will move in downward direction. That means the mass m will displace from its. That means mass m is displaced from its equilibrium position, and because of that, some strain energy is stored in a spring. When we remove the force, then what happens? The spring will come in its equilibrium position, and spring will move in this direction. So this is nothing but it is a vibration. At equilibrium position, a body possesses maximum kinetic energy. The motion of body continue until the complete kinetic energy is absorbed in doing the work against the internal elastic forces, and the kinetic energy is again converted into elastic strain energy. Thus, as the body reaches extreme position, it possesses maximum elastic strain energy, and hence the body again begin to return its equilibrium position and oscillation of vibration repeatedly infinitely. Let us see some causes of vibration. So why vibration happens in a machinery? So unbalanced forces and couples in machines. If machine parts are unbalanced, we can say that if machine is unbalanced, having some unbalanced forces, then there is a possibility of vibration. External excitation forces applied on the system. Sometimes dry friction is also causes of vibration. Wind may cause vibration in certain systems such as the telephone lines, electric electricity lines, etc. In a electricity pole, some vibration is occur because of wind. Earthquake, it is also responsible for vibration of severe structure like building, dams, etc. Disadvantage of vibration. My dear friends, we know that because of vibration, excessive stresses in machine may be developed. Because of vibration, loosening of parts in assembly. Our assembly, our parts in assembly may be become loose. It may lead to partial or complete failure of machine parts. Sometimes, if a vibration amplitude of vibration is very large, then it is a possibility to fail our machine part. It creates undesirable noise. If there is a vibration in machine, we have already experienced this phenomena. So when if our bike in our bike will make more noises, then we can say that in a bike there is a vibration is more. So let us see some advantages of vibrations. All musical instruments works on the phenomena of vibrations. Another advantage is vibrating screen, shaker, conveyors works on the principle of vibration. We can say that some stress relieving equipments are also because of vibrations, and we can say that some construction machinery are also because of some vibration. Now, how we can reduce the vibration? The methods of reducing the effect of undesirable vibration. So how we can reduce the effect of vibration? So first one, by removing unbalanced forces and couple in machine parts, which can be first method, by removing unbalanced forces and couple in the machine parts, which can be cause a vibration. By placing, so we know that unbalanced machine are having always some vibration, always some uneven noise. So if we balance by putting a balancing mass, so by removing unbalanced forces and couple, we can also make a balance a machine, and there is a minimum effect of vibration. By placing machinery on proper types of vibration isolator, so if we use a machine isolator, then we can say that we can reduce the effect of vibration. By putting soundproof screen or glass, if noise is created due to the vibration, if noise is created, then we can use a soundproof screen or a glass. By using shock absorber, we know that in a automobile we use absorber to reduce the effect of vibration. Thank you.